Using this customization, you can view physical versus actual stock compare report in Tally. On Gateway of Tally, you can view a new menu, Physical Stock Variance module. Click on it. Now click on Export Stock Report. An Excel file was export and open automatically. Choose your item and change physical stock quantity on Excel file and save the Excel. For example, here I'm set physical quantity to 10 of this item. Now on Tally, click on Physical Stock Variance Report. You can see your report here. For more info, kindly call us on below numbers. Thank you.